So in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable add new apps to home screen on the Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by opening the settings app, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option home screen. Under home screen, ensure that lock home screen layout has been disabled. Once that is turned off, you should see add new apps to home screen. So if you want to enable it, just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. So now you'll notice that whenever you're installing an app on your phone, say for example Uber Eats, and then when you install it, so once the app has been installed, you'll notice that when you go back to your home screen, you should see the app listed right there. But if you have this add new apps to home screen disabled, then any installed apps will automatically go to your apps drawer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.